Hello to our PHirst bahay! You know, I really can't stress how great this day is for everyone because today is a big milestone for both First Park Homes and Gapan Nueva Ecija. Today, we are celebrating Step Up with PHirst. Let's go! It's a step up in life for all of the people in Gapan Nueva Ecija. And also it's a big step up for First Park Homes as they finally build a community in one of the most progressive cities in the country today. So since this is all about stepping up, we're going to be doing all of that and more inside the First Park Homes unit right here, right now. My name is Robi Domingo and allow me to become your certified step up guide for today. Let's go! Today, we'll be touring the First Park Homes units that will be opening their doors for you to step into. We got the Calista Mid, Calista END, Calista PAIR, and Una. Each one offering a different living space design from others, depending on your needs and lifestyle. O paano? Time to bust a move and see what your future home looks like. In the middle of the townhouse is the Calista Mid. What's great about Calista Mid is it has an outdoor space where you can start your own garden. So if you want to plant herbs, veggies, it's just right inside your home. If your lifestyle requires a bigger space, then I invite you to waltz in to Calista END. It has a wider space and more rooms, so you can enjoy more space for bonding and more space to call your own. This is perfect for work-from-home setups too. First Park Homes believes that life steps up and grows. And because of that, there is a provision to enlarge your units. And we got them right here. Dalawang units, this is called Calista PAIR. Calista PAIR gives you the options to combine 2 Calista Mids or 1 Calista Mid and 1 Calista END. The Calista PAIR is perfect for a growing family. We've stepped into units that offer unique attached spaces that can grow into bigger spaces. But First Park Homes has this eye for modern consumer living. If you want a bit of privacy naman, then First Park Homes Gapan invites you to step up in privacy to one of their units called Una. Ito namang Una is a single attached model, which means it stands on its own and shares a single firewall with its neighbors. Perfect for people who love having spaces and boundaries. You will love that you get a much bigger outdoor space and a wider floor area here as well. Simply perfect. When investing in a home, I really believe that you should focus on the important things. The community that you'll be part of, the amenities, the spaces, and the potential for life to move forward. And that is why it is of utmost importance to look at your developer. And with First Park Homes, all you really need to do is just live a life that steps up. So I invite you, take your first step right here in First Park Homes Gapan and see how much bigger your life can be. First, a home of many firsts.